Hey, welcome back to today's workshop. I hope everybody's doing well. So I want to go ahead and I want to walk you guys through another quick tips and trick that I have. So this is my Apple Watch band. It's great. It came initially with the band. I kind of wish I would have got a little bit of a longer one, but other than that, I think it's fantastic. But on it, I wanted to change the color. So I looked online and I found this guy. Okay, so this is an orange band. It's very, very similar. Now, I've already worn this. I wore it for about a month. And while I was wearing it, I actually, wore it like I would wear any other watch band. You can kind of see the color difference, right? You can see how much I wore it. So this is the underneath. If I flip it over, you can see lots of bleeding of color. That's not why I'm bringing this up. This is why I'm bringing this up. So this is a cheap Chinese watch off band that I bought online for 13 bucks. I'll put it down below in the description. And the thing that it did that I really don't like, and it's kind of hard to see here, but I'll try to get it close for you. So you see how that's kind of discolored right there? If we look at this one, it's not as bad. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what it looks like. And if you look right here, it's the same idea. It's kind of discolored right here on this, right? And if I get super duper close, you'll see exactly what I mean. So I'm going to take this off here. And now I think you can see what I'm getting at. There we go. It's a bit of a better angle. Now you can see exactly what I'm talking about. It's rust. Rust came on my Apple Watch band. I'm still shocked that it did, but it did. So this is what I came to find out. This is what I wanted to share. So I bought this cheap band. It was the color I wanted. It's close to being the same structure as this guy, but this guy is definitely a lot thicker. I went swimming in the ocean for like a day or two with my family, and I went home and I took the band off so I could go ahead and took the watch off so I could go ahead and take a shower. And I noticed these marks. You can kind of see them here because I just changed it. I had a mark here and I had a mark down here. And the marks that I had on my wrist, this is rust. This is iron mixing with the salt water, causing a chemical reaction to occur and rust showing up. So you want to be wary of watch bands. If you're going to go ahead and you're going to buy a cheap watch band, think about how you're going to use it. If you're just going to use it to, like, say, go to work with, or on a standard day, it's fine. But if you're going to get into any kind of extreme sports, even though this is supposedly an extreme sports band, it's supposed to be designed to go ahead and go into the water like the original one is here. So be a little bit wary about how cheap it actually is, because this kind of rust can go ahead and occur. Anyways, that's really all I wanted to talk about today. If you guys like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And please let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead and drop them down in the comments below. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week.